Another thing that we have to do, probably the most challenging thing of the entire property, is actually inside in the pool area. I'm gonna take you in here and show you what we gotta do. So beautiful area. We have an inside pool here. And so it's visible from the entire aspect of the house. So as you can see, this area is very dark. We've got a hot tub up here. We've got a bunch of different size steps, which can make it a little bit awkward. So the customer has asked us if we can install a pool cage light that we would normally do for our pool cages. If we could put one up here on the aluminum shining down so that they can have the light back here to kind of light up this area, be able to access this bench, and then it'll be on a remote. They'll be able to turn the lights off. If they want to change the color, they can, but it's going to be tricky because of the way that we have to run the wire on the back side to get it up here, because this is concrete, and it'll be a challenge, but we'll be able to do it, and it's gonna look awesome. So as you can see, we're up on the top of the inside where we just put the light, and we had to run the wire up here in this groove right here, and this is how we're hiding the wire to get power from the transformer. And as you can see, sometimes you just have to kind of make it work, but that looks very beautiful. That's honestly a difference between us and a lot of companies, is that we're able to hide this so that the wires are not seen from the inside, and we're able to continue to run it down here to where the guys are connecting it to the landscape lighting. As you can see back over there, if you remember, where we did the transformer. So we've got wire running here. We're gonna hide it behind this gutter and bring it up. And this is why we get paid the big bucks, folks. Because we got to do dangerous stuff sometimes. And you can see that the only place that we have wire is right here, and those will be covered by this thick beam, so it can't be seen. Also easy for us to access if we need to fix anything. Should be looking great. Gonna give some light on the inside here for the hot tub. Customer's gonna be very happy. Another situation that you can run into when doing an existing makeover type thing, if these were all brand new lights and we were using all brand new wire, this particular instance, what we just ran into, wouldn't happen. But the issue was that as we plugged in the transformer and we were going back and testing our lights, the lights would turn on and then they would kick off, which is not how they're supposed to work. They're supposed to stay on the entire time until we tell it to turn off. So that means that what we now have to do is we have to troubleshoot. We have to figure out, there could be water inside one of these old fixtures and it's getting power and then it's tripping the transformer as it's supposed to. So what we have to do now is we have to try to isolate from the transformer. We have to try to figure out when we have lights in the back and we have lights in the front, what we've done is splice the wire and tried to translate, okay, is the transformer kicking off the lights in the back or in the front? So right now we have the back unplugged and the front is now what's tripping so we've isolated it to the problem being in the front, the lights in the back are good. So now we just have to check each light and kind of figure out which one is causing the issue, and then we can solve the problem by fixing the light or the wire or whatever the issue may be. So the way that we're gonna troubleshoot this is we have lights in the front and we have lights in the back. They're powered by the transformer, which is what is getting kicked off. So we turn the power on, everything works for about 5 seconds and then it turns off. So what we've done is we've cut the wire coming out of the transformer from the front to the back. Then we rewired the front lights and then we rewired the back. The front, we found out, is what's tripping the transformer. So the problem has been isolated to the front. So now we have to go light by light, plug one in, plug everything else out, and try to figure out what light is causing the problem. It is a little time consuming, and it is something that you can run into with an existing system that you're trying to make somewhat new. So it is part of it. Sometimes that might be why, if you're an installation company, you may elect to go with, you know, an all new system. And if you want to try to save the customer because of budget, you just may have to include that, you know, there's other things that you may run into, and that can also cause, you know, the time, if you're charging hourly or something, to go up. So you just never know what you're dealing with when you're getting into an old system like this. And we'll get it figured out, but just wanted to share that tip. So we just finished up the job today. We got the front yard complete, we got the backyard complete. We also got the pool area taken care of. It's gonna be a great makeover when the customers come home tonight. They're gonna see a big difference right off the bat, and they're gonna love coming home to all their trees being fully lit, feeling safe, secure, and also being just happy with the overall landscape lighting that we have here in beautiful Florida. So if you like today's video, you can click the link below for more information to get in touch with us. You can follow us on social. We're just here to make life a little brighter. Please subscribe and like today's video, and also leave us a comment for more things that you'd like to see.